Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the Up There New Balance 860 V2s. These released at Up There today and they ran a raffle for them. So I really hope you guys got a pair if you did enter the raffle. However, if you did miss out, they will be a global release on the 1st of November. Let's just get into these sneakers because you guys know how much I love Up There, and this is their 4th collaboration with New Balance. Previously, they had 2 pairs of 2002 Rs, and then most recently there was the all silver 1906 Rs, which is actually one of my everyday sneakers. And in contrast to that silver neutral colorway, we have this very colorful 860 V2s. And I have to say, initially I wasn't too sure about the color combination because it is just such an unusual mix of colors and definitely something that I would have never thought of to put together. And as bright as it looks, it's also somewhat muted at the same time, especially when you have them on feet. So let's just get into the details of the sneaker. Starting off with the upper, it has the open hold mesh, which you usually find on 860 V2s. The overlays are in this acid green color. There is a custom end logo, which was inspired by a pair of 990 V6, and the lining is also custom, which again is borrowed from the 990 V6. So these sneakers were designed by Matt from Up There. He goes by Small Gains on Instagram and he's very knowledgeable about sneakers. So if you guys want to know more details of the sneaker, Up There has actually posted a video of Matt talking about the sneakers, and that's pretty much where I got a lot of the info from. So he designed it, so he knows what's up. So I'll make sure to link his video in the description bar below so you guys can check it out too. So hopefully it doesn't sound repetitive, but I just found the little details to be very interesting on the sneaker. So for example, here on the heel of the sneaker, there's also this mesh material, which is unique to this collaboration. And usually with 860 V2s, there tend to be a lot of metallic finishes on them, and instead of using those metallic finishes, Up There has decided to swap them out to this synthetic nubuck material. There are also some subtle reflective details which can be found on the printed graphics on the sneaker. One of the most obvious details is the removable shroud. If you guys are familiar with the first Up There New Balance Backyard Legends, then you would have seen the shroud, but this time around it is upgraded or more advanced because it actually comes with a zip. The shroud definitely gives the sneaker a different look, but it also is functional. So if you want the sneaker to be more so a slip-on sneaker, once you have the shroud on, because it has a zip as well, you can easily just slip the shoes on and off. So if you're a slip-on kind of person, this would be a great addition. Typically, I take off the shroud on my sneaker just because I prefer the look of the laces. And speaking of laces, just like their previous releases, Up There loves giving you a bunch of different lace options. So there are 3 sheer lace options. Wait, where's the pink one? Oh wait, I have the pink I have the pink one laced here. I don't know where the other side is. I should have gotten myself a little bit more organized to film this video, but they give you 3 sets of sheer laces, and the sheer lace is also the laces that they've used in their previous releases. It is this really fun like bubble laces, and these laces were originally designed so that once you have the laces tied up, they would actually be more secure because of all the little ridges on the laces itself. So in terms of the colors, we have this acid green color, which I have laced on this pair. This definitely makes the sneaker pop a lot more because of how bright the green is. If you want something a little bit more muted, we have the mint green color, and my personal favorite is definitely the pink laces because I think it gives a nice subtle contrast, but it also ties into the pink details on the sneaker as well. If the sheer lace isn't your thing, there's also the typical round laces, and it has the green contrast because with the 860 V2s, typically they have these laces with like a contrast trim on them, and I think these also look really great when you have them laced on the sneaker. Another addition to the release is the New Balance bag, which is in this pink ripstop material, and the New Balance branding in blue is also reflective, and it is a really nice lightweight packable bag, which I think it is such a nice addition, and this will become become my new grocery bag because I don't know about you guys, but I always forget to bring a bag with me when I do my groceries, and I end up having to pay 20 cents for these bags, and it's a whole thing. So hopefully this will be my new grocery bag. It is such a great size as well. It fits a whole shoebox, but it is a great grocery bag sizing, and I think the colorway is super cute as well. Anyway, back to the sneakers. You'll find that the midsole looks very familiar because if you already have a pair of 2002 Rs or 1906 Rs, then they meaning those two shoes actually borrowed the midsole from the 860 V2s. So comfort wise, it is definitely there, and I find that in terms of sizing, they fit true to size. So if you already have a pair of 2002 Rs or 1906 Rs, I think you can definitely go for the same size. When I initially tried these on, because when you get them fresh out of the box, they come laced with the Shrouds, I put them on feet and I found them to be a little bit snug around the forefoot area, but I think that's because the Shroud was laced on very tightly when it's fresh out of the box. But now that I've adjusted them a little bit, or if you've removed them completely, I think they fit true to size. So yeah, comfort wise, it is definitely there, and because it has the mesh upper, I think it is a great shoe for the summer because it is very breathable and just good for everyday wear. And like I said, even though the color combo is very unique and it is quite colorful, it is weirdly very wearable at the same time. And if you're someone that usually just wears very neutral outfits, I think this would really go well with pretty much everything. So yeah, I think once again Up There did a really good job with this release, and this may be a little bit biased because you guys know that I have all the other Up There releases and I can't wait to see what else they come up with. But that is all for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!